Hi, I'm Asha Devi, and today I would like to give you 5 tips on how to crush your beauty brand videos. As a beauty brand, you're used to putting your best face forward, and you know that the industry is getting bigger and more competitive, and that brand strategy plays a huge role in how you position yourself in the market. Now you just need to pump up your video content to reach more of your audience. There's no way around it. You need video. It's better at grabbing and keeping your customers' attention. It leads to more conversions, and it's shared over 1,000 times more often than static ads. Plenty of brands stress about making videos because they require a whole new approach to communicating with customers. But we're here to dispel the fear. Sure, videos present a whole new set of challenges when it comes to brand storytelling and tone, but it also gives you a whole new way to crush your content. Here are a few things to keep in mind as you plan your beauty brand videos. 1. Make sure your video adds value. No one chooses to watch a commercial, so your videos have to be more than just ads for your product. Your viewers want to know they'll be getting something informational or entertaining when they press play. So it's vital to ask yourself, what are you trying to accomplish with your video? Are you showing people your product line, creating a tutorial to help them use your products, giving customers a behind-the-scenes peek at your process, introducing them to someone interesting, making a statement about the beauty industry and your place in it? Only once you know what you're trying to do can you plan your content and distribution strategy with confidence. 2. Stay consistent to your brand message. You don't get to be a successful beauty brand without a cohesive brand message. Customers look for some consistency when they encounter your beauty brand. Are you aspirational, edgy, outgoing, sophisticated? Whatever vibe your brand is trying to express with your other visual content should be reflected to some extent in your videos as well. After all, they're an extension of all the brand work you've already done. Of course, that doesn't mean you can't try out other avenues or seek out new audiences. It simply means that if you have the benefit of brand recognition or are looking to build it, your customers have to remember who you are, what you stand for, and why they want to buy products from you. 3. Tell a story, but do it fast. Not all videos do well on all platforms. If you're planning on posting your beauty brand video to social media, you have about 3 seconds to catch a viewer's attention, maybe less. But if they're already clicking around on your website or scoping out your YouTube page, you might have longer. Of course, you don't need to tell the whole story in just a few sections, but you do have to grab people's attention by giving them a sense of what they're investing in up front. Depending on the platform and whether or not it autoplays videos, there is a very good chance that your potential customers will be seeing your beauty brand videos with the sound turned off. So it also helps to add text, even if it's just in the form of subtitles for any dialogue. Believe it or not, 92% of people view videos with the sound on mobile turned off, and 80% of consumers are more likely to keep watching when captions are available. 4. Inclusivity is hot. It is so refreshing to see diverse faces and bodies in the beauty industry. And if you're looking to appeal to Gen Z and millennials in particular, expect to be called out if you only have one idea of what it means to be beautiful. Ethnic diversity and gender neutrality are increasingly important. Of course, honesty is crucial as well, and customers know when a brand is being inauthentic. Think about the popularity of Fenty, for example. By connecting with a diverse array of real people, they stood out amongst a sea of brands in a $500 billion industry. They did $100 million in sales in their first 40 days on the market. Their omnichannel marketing strategy uses videos on every platform that encourage 10 times the usual engagement rate. Why? Because it's beauty for everyone. 5. Make them want it. No one knows what's in your video until they click on it. But the trick is getting them to engage. The truth is, you might be doing great work and still struggle with engagement. If your video has all the right ingredients, is authentic to your brand identity, and has something valuable to offer, you're really only halfway there. You still need to draw people in, and that might mean having to sweat the small stuff. Does your title match your content while also creating curiosity or anticipation? Is your video's thumbnail image clear, appealing, eye-catching, and something your customers want to see more of? Have you made it easy to watch by getting your point across quickly and optimizing it for mobile? Have you targeted your video to the platform you posted on? Because what works for Facebook will not work for TikTok. Making a good video takes an experienced team of people who are all on the same page. And if video isn't something that your brand has a lot of experience with, then you can expect some growing pains as you work to figure out how to find your audience and get them to click on your content. Of course, as a beauty brand, you have aesthetics on your side. If you've watched this far and feel more overwhelmed than ever, it could mean that you need to shake up your media team a bit. It is crucial to work with professionals who know your brand and have expertise in making beauty brand videos that reach their target audience. In other words, you need tech specialists who are also storytellers. Thanks for watching. To learn more on how to level up your beauty brand videos, reach out to our team here at SA Studios NYC.